Hello everyone and welcome to our presentation. In this video, we are going to talk about electronic aspirin. Before we get started, let us introduce ourselves.
Hello, my name is Ratna Prastiwi Putri Winardi.
Hello, my name is Ratna Indriani.
My name is Fakhri Mutiara and we are from Biomedical Engineering Department, batch 2021. Now let's begin the presentation.
Okay, in the first slide, we will talking about what is electronic aspirin. Electronic aspirin is a medical technology driven by and for patients to relieve pain, just like cluster headache, migraines, and other types of head and facial pain. It involves placing a nerve-stimulated implant in the patient's upper gum area on the face. All of you maybe ask me, why should this place? It because this place is where the patient experiences most pain. This technology can help by a handheld remote control. You can see the picture on the presentation. So when you have headache, you can place the remote control device on the cheek area nearest to the implanted device. Not like medication that need to be taken under a physician care due to the effect. This electronic aspirin can be used for anyone with allergies or disease and high blood pressure without taking under physician care, and this technology not have any side effect. Next slide. How common are headache? Headache is one of the most common pain conditions in the world. It has top rank in nervous system disorder. Up to 75% of adults worldwide have had a headache in the past year. Maybe it can caused by the pandemic shock that increased the headache patient during past year. Level prevalence of headache is 96%, with a woman dominance. Mostly it caused by changes in hormone like administration, pregnancy, lactation, or menopause. The next slide will continue by my friend Fakhri.
What causes headaches? Headache pain results from signals interacting among the brains, blood vessels, and surrounding nerves. During a headache, an unknown mechanism activates specific nerves that affects muscles and blood vessels. These nerves send pain signals to the brain. There are multiple ways to treat headaches, and one of them is by using drugs and medication. Occasional headaches usually respond well to over-the-counter pain relievers such as ibuprofen and aspirin. But for frequent or severe headaches, a doctor may recommend prescription headache medications such as paracetamol and chlorpromazine. Why use electronic aspirin instead of traditional ones? Well, this is because the electronic aspirin can directly interfere with the prime stage of headache, whereas the normal aspirin pills just can't because the pills have to go through the digestive system and then to the bloodstream and so on. So it will take more time to reach the target.
Hello everyone, on this opportunity I would like to tell you about how to use aspirin to relieve headaches. Alright, the use of electric aspirin is attached to the skull bone, usually when the birth check. When the patient feels a headache, the implant device is placed in the place that feels pain. Then the remote control attached to the cheek will automatically emit electrical impulses that serve to withstand headache signal sent from the special nervous system or SPD, spinal palatal ganglion, so that in a short time it can block the pain felt. All right, the next slide I want to talk about what are the advantages of electric aspirin. So the first is sophisticated electrical medical device without using harmful chemicals. So electric aspirin doesn't contain any any harmful chemicals at all. The second is relieve pain in a short time. So it doesn't take long for the electric aspirin to work. Then the third is doesn't cause side effect. So it's very safe, but you still have to check with the doctor. Next, the fourth is easy to carry anywhere. So don't worry because the electric aspirin is designed to small, so it's easy to carry anywhere. All right, the last is doesn't leave a scars. If you think electric aspirin leave scars, you are wrong. You are wrong because it's designed as best as possible so that user don't experience any problems. Well, that's all I can say. The next discussion will be discussed by my friend. Thank you very much.
What are the potential side effects of using electronic aspirin? Some common symptoms include throat numbness, lowered blood pressure, and nausea, but rarer symptoms include nasal bleeding, nasal infection, and a temporary increase in headache pain. Most throat numbness only lasts for a few hours at most. This is caused by the numbing medication given during the procedure. And here are the references that we use to make this PowerPoint. Thank you for listening to our presentation.